first quarter of 2014 comes to an end, and the sinking of the shaft number 1 at UST-JAJWA mine is in full swing. At the moment, the depth of the shaft is 40 meters. Well, at the moment we have already got a 40 meters bottom hole at the shaft number 1. We have excavated the deviated section up to 39 meters. Now we are expanding the boundaries to fit the project section of the shaft, and then we will continue excavation. Headgear building of the first shaft looks completely different compared to its condition by the end of 2013. Employees assembled headgear permanent overlap of the shaft number 1. At the moment, facing work is being completed here. Sandwich panels will protect the building from the bad weather. In mid-February, Damen Manual Shock Destroy began assembling of clamshell equipment at the first shaft. This is a suspension gear equipped with a gripper. Firstly, the rock goes into the bucket. Then it is shipped by mini excavator, which was used at the bottom hole. We have got the excavator out, and we were able to hang a clamshell because it should be hung on the work deck. The work deck should be lowered to a certain depth of the shaft. So, as we have excavated up to a certain depth, we have got the opportunity to hang it. Clamshell advantage is that it grabs more rock than a mini excavator does at a heat. From now on, the cleanup process will go much faster. The sinking of the first shaft has reached a hard rock that cannot be broken off manually using jackhammers. Therefore, the company's employees move to drilling and blasting operations. Now the morning work team cleans up the bottom hole. The evening team will drill blast holes, and the blasters will charge a drill hole with an explosive, and then we will blast out. Well, we have actually got the sinking cycle here. Holes drilling, charging, loading, bottom clearing up, and blast holes drilling again, charging, and sequential lining of the shaft vault. At the second shaft of the UST-JAJWA mine, rope pulleys for stage winches, lifting equipment, and a rescue ladder winch were mounted. Headgear steel construction is being completed. Next week we will install ropes, lifting equipment, stage winches, and rescue ladder winch. Well, in the beginning of the next quarter we plan to begin to continue sinking of the deviated section at the second shaft. Another main objective of the first quarter of 2014 is being achieved. Start of the first shaft concreting. Soon the company will put a concrete mixing plant into operation to meet its needs in the concrete at the construction site. At the same time, the company's employees are preparing for the spring thaw and install the flood protection system around the construction facilities. They are clearing the existing network of drainage channels and construct a new one.